This video is to explain the culinary arts pathway at Madison High School. The courses in the pathway include Principles of Hospitality taken at the middle school level, and Culinary Arts, Advanced Culinary, Practicum, Food Science, and Extended Co-op taken at the high school. Activities in Culinary Arts include learning to cook in a commercial kitchen. A safety test is required at the beginning of the class and must be passed with a 100%. Students do participate in before and after school catering activities, competition, and any other activities where culinary is requested. There is a career and technical student organization called Skills USA for students who are interested in going to local, regional, and national competitions, as well as participating in community service. Uniforms are required for this class and typically cost about $50. They include a chef hat, coat, pants, and apron. These must be purchased by students at the beginning of class and are required every day of class in order to be able to cook in the kitchen. Attendance is important so that students do not miss important safety and sanitation instructions. Here are a few pictures of activities that we've done. This is a gumbo competition in which we received first place. We did an English tea earlier in the year, and then a picture of our bistro where students are able to buy food that we've made. We have 3 venues, a casual dining area called Madison Street Cafe. Restaurant 1809 is our fine dining area. And then Maverick Bakery and Bistro, which is a grab and go where teachers and students can get food and take it back to the classrooms or other areas of the school. Students do receive an industry-based certification called Serve Safe Food Handlers in Culinary 1. This allows them to get a job in the food industry if they so choose, and it's good for 2 years. If they attend advanced and practicum classes, they will take Serve Safe Food Managers. That helps them to get a management or team lead position and is good for 5 years. Just a few more pictures of things we've done. There's a Halloween goodie box, a breakfast that we had completed, a picture of when we serve dessert in a restaurant style. And then, of course, we do our own accounting. So we do take care of all of the financial aspects. They will learn accounting from a business standpoint. And here's just another visual of how the classes break down. So Principles of Hospitality in 7th or 8th grade. And then Culinary 1, 2, and 3, Culinary Arts, Advanced, and Practicum. If they do not take Practicum, they could do an extended co-op instead their senior year. And if they'd like to earn an endorsement, they do need to take all of those classes. They could take the 3 classes in high school, Culinary Arts, Advanced, or Practicum. Or they could take the Principles of Hospitality in middle school and then Culinary Arts and Advanced Culinary in high school and earn the endorsement. We hope to see you in the kitchen. Go Mavs!